Today we're going to talk about the difference between a fact and an opinion. This year so far in writing, we've been doing a lot of writing that gives facts about different topics, but we're going to be moving over to doing more opinion writing where we're giving our opinion about a topic. So today we thought we'd review and see what is the difference between a fact and an opinion. So our learning targets for today, our first learning target says, I can tell the difference between facts and opinions. Our second learning target says, I can tell my opinion using sentence frames. So let's talk about what a fact is. A fact is a noun, and it means a statement that can be proven true. So it's something that is always true, and it doesn't matter how you feel or what you think about it. So our example sentence says, one fact about blizzards is that they have strong winds and heavy snow. That is something that you can prove. If you've ever been in a blizzard, you can see that it's true and no one can argue with it. It's always true. That's the definition of a blizzard. On the other hand, an opinion is someone's feelings about a particular topic. So in our example sentence, it says, in my opinion, puppies are the cutest animals. So that's someone's feelings about puppies. And someone else might have different feelings. Maybe someone else thinks that cats are the cutest animals, or maybe monkeys are the cutest animals. So it's something that you can argue, and it's something that you cannot prove because it's someone's feelings. A fact is information that is always true. You can't argue with it. It's something you can prove. And a lot of times we see facts in books that are nonfiction. So if you're reading a book about a nonfiction topic, or in a newspaper or a magazine where they have articles, those would be giving facts. An opinion is thoughts or something that you think about a topic. It cannot be proven. You can argue the point, and your opinion might change over time. And it's someone's personal feelings about a topic. So if you want to know if something's an opinion, you can sometimes look for these key words that will give you a clue that it's an opinion. So I'm going to have you echo read these opinion words after me. So I'll say them first and you can echo them back. Should, think, best, worst, good, bad, favorite, fun, better, believe, feel. These are all words that give a clue that you're giving an opinion about what you think or what you feel about something. So now we're going to practice. I'm going to show you a sentence, and you're going to call out whether you think each sentence is a fact or an opinion. And let's see how many you can get right. A polar bear is the most fun animal to watch. Is that a fact or an opinion? That's an opinion. The word fun gives us a clue that it's an opinion because what someone thinks is fun, another person might not think is fun. Also, the word most, because what someone might think is the most fun or the most enjoyable, someone might have a different opinion about what is the most. Roblox is the best game to play on an iPad. Is that a fact or an opinion? That is also an opinion. The word best here, again, is a clue that this is an opinion sentence because what one person thinks is the best, another person might not think is the best. If we just said Roblox is a game to play on the iPad, that would be a fact. But adding the word best makes it an opinion. A cheetah can run faster than a lion. Fact or opinion? That's a fact. A cheetah can run faster than a lion. That's something that can be proven. If you measure the speed of a cheetah and compare it to the speed of a lion, you can prove that a cheetah can run faster than a lion. It's not what someone thinks about a cheetah and a lion. It's a fact that can be proven. Everyone should see the new Angry Birds movie. That's an opinion. The word should gives us a clue that this is an opinion. George Washington was the first president of the USA. That's a fact. It's something that we can look back in history and we can prove that it is true. And it is something that's always true, no matter what people think or feel. There are 12 months in the year. That's a fact. Watching fireworks on the 4th of July is a lot of fun. That is an opinion. The word fun, again, gives us a clue that this is someone's opinion about what is fun. Someone else might not think it is fun, or they might think something else is more fun, so it's someone's opinion. Christmas is a more enjoyable holiday than Halloween. This is another opinion. The word enjoyable is another word that means fun. So if you're thinking if something is fun or enjoyable, that's an opinion. And also the word more can give us a clue. Here's our last one. A giant tortoise can live to be over 150 years old. That's a fact. It's something that can be proven. You can study it in science, and you can see that you can measure the age of a tortoise to know how old they are. How did you guys do? Did you get most of them right? I hope you're starting to see the difference between facts and opinions. Now we're going to do a little bit of practice to give our opinion using sentence frames. This is going to be a little bit different than how we do it in class, since you guys are all in your homes. So we're going to pretend that I'm your partner and I'm asking you the question. But I'm going to start by modeling it. So the question says, in your opinion, what is the best snack? So I would respond to that question by saying, in my opinion, the best snack is apples with peanut butter. You might have a different opinion about what's the best snack. So now I'm going to give you some think time, and I'm going to ask you what you think the best snack is. Okay, now it's your turn. In your opinion, what is the best snack? Okay, I'm sure you all talked about wonderfully delicious snacks, and you might all have different opinions about what the best snack is. So I hope that you said your sentence out loud. We're going to try another one now. Here's our next question. In your opinion, what is the most enjoyable recess activity? I'm going to respond to the prompt now. In my opinion, the most enjoyable recess activity is freeze tag. Now I'm going to give you some think time, and then I'm going to ask you the question. Okay, now it's your turn to respond. In your opinion, what is the most enjoyable recess activity? Okay, I'm sure you are all thinking of your favorite recess activities that you like to do at school. We have one more practice. Our last prompt says, in your opinion, what is the best movie? I'm going to answer the question now. In my opinion, the best movie is Incredibles 2. Now I'm going to ask you the question. I'll give you some think time. Okay, now it's your turn. In your opinion, what is the best movie? Okay, I'm sure there are so many opinions about what the best movie is, and if we could all hear each other, we would have lots of ideas for what kinds of movies we could watch. So let's review our learning targets for today. Can you tell the difference between facts and opinions? Hopefully you said yes. Can you tell your opinion using sentence frames? I hope you said yes to that too. As we work on our opinion writing, we'll be talking about how to take our opinions and how to stretch it into a strong paragraph to give our opinion.